Good morning, students. Chapter Trigonometry. Write the subheading. Compound angles. Compound angles. Addition and subtraction formulae. Compound angles. Addition and subtraction formulae. Right. First one. Sin A plus B. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Write the formula. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Next, cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Right. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Next, tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Study this formula. Question. Write the question. Find sin 75 degree. Sin 75 degree. Using this formula. Understand? Here we apply compound angle formula. Sin 75 is, right, sin 45 plus 30. Agree? Sin A plus B. What is sin A plus B formula? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That is sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is sin 45? 1 by root 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 1 by root 2 sin 30 1 by 2. Multiplication 1 into root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That is 2 root 2 is the LCM, root 2 root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root. Write the second one. Cos 15. Cos 15 degree. How can you write cos 15? Cos 45 minus 30. Cos 45 minus 30. What is cos A minus B formula? Cos A cos B. If the middle sign is minus, here plus. Cos A cos B. Cos A cos B means cos 45 cos 30 plus sin 45 sin 30. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. Taking the LCM, root 3 by 2 root 2, root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Therefore, 2 root 2, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Understand? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. In this way, write the homework. Find cos 75, cos 75 and sin 15. Cos 75 and sin 15. Using this method, find the answer. Write the next formula. Write the next formula. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B is sin square A minus sin square B. Right. Next one. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B is equal to cos square B minus cos square A. Cos square B minus sin A plus B into sin A minus B is sin square A minus sin square B. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B is, change the answer, cos square B minus sin square A. Cos square B minus sin square A. Cos square B minus sin square A. Okay. Write one question. Write one question. Prove that sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Right. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B plus sin B plus C into sin B minus C plus sin C plus A into sin C minus A equal to 0. Equal to 0. Copy the question. Prove that. What is sin A plus B into sin A minus B? Sin square A minus sin square B. Okay. Plus sin B plus C into sin B minus C. Sin square B minus sin square C. Plus sin C plus A into sin C minus A. Sin square C minus sin square A. Sin square A minus sin square A cancel. Minus sin square B plus sin square B cancel. Minus sin square C plus sin square C cancel. The final result is 0. Next one. Write down. Show that tan 37 is equal to cos 8 minus sin 8 by cos 8 plus sin 8. Tan 37 is cos 8 plus minus sin 8 by cos 8 plus sin 8. Take tan 37, LHS. How can you write tan 37? Tan 37 is tan 45 minus 8, isn't it? What is tan A minus B formula? Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan 45 minus tan 8 by 1 plus tan 45 tan 8. What is the value tan 45? 1 minus tan 8 by 1 plus tan 8. Agree? Then 1 minus, how can you write tan 8? Sin 8 by cos 8 by 1 plus sin 8 by cos 8. Taking the LCM, cos 8 minus sin 8 by cos 8 by cos 8 plus sin 8 by cos 8. Cos 8 cancel. Cos 8 minus sin 8 by cos 8 plus sin 8. Right. Cos 8 minus sin 8 by cos 8 plus sin 8. Right now. Write homework. Homework question. Prove that tan 55 is equal to, same type, tan 55 is cos 10 plus sin 10 by cos 10 minus sin 10. Here also 55 is 45 plus 10. Same question. Okay, write the next one. Prove that sin b minus c by sin b sin c plus sin c minus a by sin c sin a plus sin a minus b by sin a sin b equal to 0. Okay, only we take the first step. Take sin b minus c by sin b sin c. Taking the first term only. Can you say what is sin b minus c? Sin b cos c minus cos b sin c by sin b sin c. Okay. Now separate sin b cos c by sin b sin c minus cos b sin c by sin b sin c. Sin b cancel, sin c cancel. Therefore, you will get cot c minus cot b. Check the first. Taking the first term, once again listen. Sin b minus c is sin b cos c minus cos b sin c by the denominator is sin b sin c. A minus b by c, we can write a by c minus b by c. Sin b cancel, sin c cancel, cos c by sin c is cot c, cos b by sin b is cot b. Understand? If it is sin b minus c, the answer is cot c minus cot c. Similarly, no need of expanding the second one. Sin c minus a by sin c into sin a is cot a minus cot c. Okay, cot a minus cot c. What about the third one? Sin a minus b by sin a sin b is cot b minus cot a. Then repeat the question and substitute. You will get cot c minus cot b plus cot a minus cot c plus cot b minus cot a. Cot c minus cot c cancel, minus cot b plus cot b cancel, plus cot a minus cot a cancel. The final result 0. Okay. Do all these problems and do the same type problems from your textbook.